Hey guys, welcome to Just Be Handy. Is it time to change your cabin air filter? I'm going to do that, demonstrate it on this Subaru Outback 2017, but it's the same on all your Subarus. First thing you want to do is get your seat as back far as you can. Then empty out your glove box. So definitely open it up, empty it out. Then you're going to want to grab this guy here. It's a little shock to hold the doors, and just snap that off like that. Then get your hand in here and get this tab out, pushed in a little bit, and then push the other side in as well like that, and then the whole thing comes off, and then you'll have access to the cabin air filter. Okay guys, so this is where the cabin air filter resides. You can see the arrow up. That will tell you which way this goes, but it's not necessarily meaning which way the air flows. The air flows down. So you have to be careful when you get your filter, which way should the filter point. So to get this off, you just squeeze these tabs here. And sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. So I'll squeeze these tabs with both hands and pull this door out and see if I can rest this on the car seat here. And there's the air filter, and you can see airflow is down. This is an older filter. You can see all the stuff in it. It's got the charcoal in it, so this isn't as dirty as you think, but because it has the charcoal filtration. And I'll put a description below for this air filter, for the cabin air filter. But look inside, make sure nothing got in there. And then you can see airflow down. Air comes from the cowl up there and then goes through this filter, and the fan takes it over and distributes it. So we'll replace this filter and then put the cover back on. All right, the filter here even comes with instructions on how to do all that. And this filter basically works on some Toyota, Lexus, and Pontiac, and even Land Rover models. And as I said, this one has the charcoal in it, which I like because you know, you go through some polluted areas and it just doesn't smell the best. Well, this gives you a little edge. All right, and it comes pre-sealed. And this is how a brand new filter looks. Again, when you put it in, airflow is down, and it only can go the one way. Now you need to put that cover back on. And as you can see, there's tabs here and here. And this flapper here is just in case the filter gets plugged and you still need to draw air. It starts to draw air from inside. And you can see here, it's basically on. And that's it for that. Now to get this glove box on, you just make sure the tabs are in there for the pivot. You push these in to click, and then lastly make sure that goes on there and you're done. That's a new cabin air filter. If you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Get rid of your old cabin air filter and even get a charcoal one for a lot less. All right, God bless.